Hello and welcome to our channel where we bring you the latest news and updates from the world of finance. In today's videos, we will be discussing technical analysis from A to Z. That is a part of repetitively it is a stock market. It is a part of stock market. There are two types basically, technical analysis and one is fundamental analysis. Now today only we topic about the technical analysis in that video. On next video I will discuss about the fundamental analysis. That is important, that is also important in a stock market, but in this video I will only discuss in details concept in easy way technical analysis. Now let's move on our topic without any wasting our time and your time, because I know your time is very important than me. That's why we discuss at that point of a technical analysis. Now, what is technical analysis? It is a method of evaluating securities by analyzing static generated by market activities such as past price. Popular tools used by traders and investors. Those who doesn't know about what is investing and what are investors, so please I will discuss in brief explanation, that the video is present in the description, as well as you can go through with our playlist where you can see the basic concept of stock market and also the what is the basic terminology such as NSE, National Stock Exchange, and BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange. Okay, now moves on our topic. Means it's a popular tools used by traders and investors to make informed decision about buying and selling securities. Okay, the first step in technical analysis is to identify trend in the market. This can be done by analyzing charts and identifying patterns such as support and resistance level. I will also discuss what is support and what is resistance in the next videos. So if you are new, then you subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more information about that particular concepts of resistance and support level. Now support level are prices at which a security has historically had difficulty falling below. Okay, while resistance level are prices at which a security has historical had difficulty rising above. Okay, that is the our resistance and support level. Okay, now moves on another topic, means in that topic but it's opposite to that. Once trends has been identified, technical analysts use a variety of indicators to confirm their analysis. Don't worry, I will discuss each and every indicator in strength index, that is RSI and Bollinger Bands among others. Those who doesn't know the basic of a stock market, I will literally repeat it again and again, because it is the most important thing which you can ever see, right? Firstly, see the video in description, then move on this video. It's important. And also I am providing you a playlist on basic of a stock market series using animation for better understanding purpose only. Now technical analytics also use chart patterns to identify potential trading opportunities. This pattern can include head and shoulder, triangles, and double tops and bottoms among others, right? It's most important things I will cover later. It is important to note that technical analysis is not a perfect science, okay, and should be used in conjunction with other form of analysis such as fundamental analysis. It is also important to have a solid understanding of the market and the securities being traded. Okay, to identify price we use candlestick pattern. I will repeat, it is a most important candlestick patterns. Nowadays it is a trends. It's also discussed in further videos, so if you are new then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for quick video. Right now at end I will give you a conclusion of that video, of this video. In conclusion, technical analysis is a valuable tool for traders and investors looking to make informed decision about buying or selling securities, right? By analyzing market activity and identifying trends, technical analysts can give valuable insights into the market and potential trading opportunities. So this indicator can include. So, thank you for watching this video and hope you found this video informative and most welcome to another video. Thank you.